So I've been trying out Premiere Pro Beta. It's 2025, the start of 2025. And something that I really like is this media intelligence, where it looks through your footage or images and it can identify what's in them and also potentially any metadata or anything like that. And then you can do a search on it, which is great if you're looking for B-roll, cutaways, or maybe something in particular. So what I'm going to do is just load up some media. Please bear in mind I'm going to choose quite a bit of media because I want to see how long it takes to come in here. So I'm just going to go over to my footage and I've got day one here. Actually, let's just set up a bin. Let's just do day one. And I'm also just going to do day 10 as well because I saw some things in there like boats that I think might be quite good. So let's just go day one and let's just bring that in. So we were at Morden Park and I know that there was a heron in here. I want to see if it can actually pick that up. So I'm just going to select all that footage, Command A or Control A on PC, and I'm just going to drag that in. It's going to tell me it couldn't import the XML files in a moment. Sorry about this wait, so let's just skip forward. Okay, so there you go. That's done. And I'm just going to go to the window menu and just choose progress. And you can see it's already started analyzing. So it's doing the media intelligence analyzing. Let's go back here to my day 10. And let's just grab those. Don't want these ones here. Let's drag those over. So as you can see, quite a lot of files just in this folder here, 346 files that I've selected. It's importing it. I'm not going to wait. I'm just going to skip forward. So I'm just going to cut out this wait. Okay, so it's finished importing those. Let's go and have a look in the window here. Let's look at the progress. It's got more now. Okay, well, it's telling me that it's complete. They're all listed here. If I click on this little arrow here, it'll expand to show all of the files that have been analyzed. And you can see them all here. What I'm going to do is go into Window and go to Search. And you can give it a good description. So I'm actually going to say boat. And look at that. It has now found boats that I want. And there you go. Now, what we could do is try boat on water. And it has detected water in these shots, so it's picked those up. So that's not bad. So there you go. I can identify that now. I can see it here. I can see that it's found 12 of 30 results. Okay. If there was text in there, it would have looked for text. So if there was a sign or some paper or something or a poster that you'd filmed, there was no metadata showing any of it. I could then right-click, reveal it in the Finder. I could reveal it in my project. So there it is there. I could drag and drop it into a timeline, which I want here. I've not done any grading or anything like that on it. So there you are. That's how easy it is to do. Okay, so I did tell you that I did see a heron. So I'm pretty sure if I type in heron here, maybe there is a heron in there. I don't know. Ignore the title here. But maybe it'll be better if I type in bird. Look at that. Wherever I've got birds, it has picked it up. So how about that? So I could pick that up, drop that in. Let's take a bit of a closer look at that one. There we are. How about that? That's pretty cool, isn't it? What about bridge? Let's look up a bridge. I want a bridge in my shot. Check it out. Isn't that clever? This is really useful. I've got to say that if I'm looking for particular shots, and as you can tell, I have got hundreds and hundreds of clips here. And in that very short space of time from importing it It took hardly any time at all to analyze it. And you could see that that's a bridge, and so on. So I think this is going to really speed up how I work, and hopefully it will speed up how you work as well. Hopefully this will be in the full-on version soon, so taken from the beta into it. So the beta versions are kind of like a test version, if you didn't know that. Anyway, if you do like this, please do like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more.